Hello everyone, look what we got here. This is the Redcat Racing 64 Impala Lowrider in the new color. This is actually pretty cool and amazing color. And you know, if you're new to this, those are hydraulic vehicles, so they're going to be able to up and down and do different position, and it's actually pretty cool. It's not hooked up to anything right now, so I'm just going to show this how cool it is. And then the front can go up and down, and it's have light, and it's have a lot of cool stickers for pin-up. And look at those wheels, look at those spoke wheels on it. Let's zoom in real quick. Yeah, really cool. So this is available right now at our shop, at Motostyle Shop, 17540 Chatsworth Street. I just want to show you that we have it in the new colors, and I know a lot of people are looking for those, so drop by and pick one. You know, it's like before Christmas, a lot of stuff will be missing this year, so do your shopping right now. Also, we're moving right before Christmas, so it's gonna make it even harder on you guys. I'm sorry, but Paley Real Estate Company kick us out, so we're not gonna give them more money. We don't want to deal with them, so it's kind of we're gonna struggle through the holiday to actually move and give you guys service at the same time. But this beautiful 64 Impala is available in our shop. We're not upping the price like anybody else. We're selling it exactly the same price of Redcat Racing. It's $599 plus tax. You have to pay tax like everybody else. Give us a call and come and pick up one. We have it available right now in this color, and we have also a green color. If you want any of those, we also have all the accessories, all the chrome parts, and we also have gold rims for it if you want. So just come and see it. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Bye.